Hello everybody, today I'm at the Detroit Auto Show taking a look at this 2025 Lincoln Nautilus. This is an absolutely beautiful Lincoln. They have made some crazy improvements with their design. Starting off up front, we have this really iconic style LED accent lighting that continues through the grille. The Lincoln logo does light up, which is pretty sweet. This guy has a 360-degree camera system. Your lane keep assist and adaptive cruise control sensor is going to be right in front. Parking sensors are integrated into the middle portion of the bumper. We also have cross path detection sensors, color matched fender flares that transition into a color matched rocker panel applique. Taking a look at the wheel and tire setup, it looks like we have a Goodyear Eagle Touring tire, and it looks like the size on that is a 255/45 R22. Very unique style, machined in gloss black 22-inch wheel. Your Nautilus badging is going to be along the driver and passenger side door. We have a gloss black mirror cap with your mirror mounted camera right there. Blind spot monitor indicator. Very sleek, minimalist style door handles. Chrome or brushed chrome looking roof rail up top. I don't know if it's actually functional. I do not believe so. Cross path detection sensors out back, as well as your parking sensors integrated into the upper portion of the gloss black bumper. Absolutely gorgeous looking LED tail lamps that again transition onto the trunk lid themselves. Very nice, sleek third brake light up top. Coming around to the driver's side, we have your lockable capless fuel filler door right there. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Let's take a closer look at the interior. Starting over on the driver's side door, we have the lock and unlock buttons. We have your 3-seat memory. Really nice accent trim pretty much throughout. This is a very luxurious SUV. Window controls are here, mirror controls are here, speakers pretty much everywhere. Right down here we have the buttons to release the trunk. We have the gas cap unlock button, dimmer switch for your instrument cluster, and then click wheel for the lights of the exterior of the vehicle. And then we have your plus dimmer switch for your instrument cluster. Coming up top to the dashboard, you don't really have a dashboard because it is this massive horizontal display, and it is very zen, displaying the northern lights. Very cool. I believe your instrument cluster is here, and then you have more stuff over there while you're driving. This has the Blue Cruise, so the semi-autonomous driving capability. Absolutely amazing looking steering wheel with flat bottom and top. We have your touch capacitive buttons right here to control the instrument cluster, as well as your cruise control buttons, and that is on both sides. That is touch capacitive. Push button start, as you'd expect. Sleek minimalist style touchscreen display. You have wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. It looks like it has the card system. Everything is controllable through here, your heated and ventilated seats, as well as your massaging seats. I'm actually getting a massage right now. Your shifter is actually buttons, so push to park, push to reverse, push to neutral, push to drive, push to low. Right here, it looks like we have your hold button, and then we have your max defrost. Hazard light button, parallel park button, 360-degree camera system, which pops up on the instrument cluster. You also have your weather over there. This thing is so cool. And then behind that, you have your different drive modes for the vehicle. Your volume switch for the radio. Pull back on this, giving us access to a wireless charging mat. 2 cup holders, USB Type-C, as well as an LED lit storage compartment. Lift up on this center armrest, giving us access to 2 more USB Type-Cs, a 12-volt outlet, and a nice little chain storage compartment. Beautiful multi-contour seats. Glove box is going to be right here. Coming up top to the suede headliner, it is LED lit vanity for the passenger as well as your driver. Driver vanity gets a 3-door universal garage remote. Up top on the headliner, you have glasses storage right here. All of your LED dome map light controls, as well as your controls for the twin pane sunroof. It's huge. And then we have your auto dimming rear view mirror right here. So overall, very impressed with this interior. This seat is very comfortable. I actually don't want to get up because the massage feels so good. But everything with this dash screams luxury. Let's take a look at the back and see how much legroom we have. So I have an insane amount of legroom back here. Again, attention to detail. I love this LED trim on the doors, speakers everywhere, storage in the form of pouches behind both driver and passenger seats. It looks like each seat, the captain's chair, has 2 USB Type-C outlets. Heated captain's chairs back here as well with air conditioning vents and another 110 volt, 150 watt power outlet down below. This center seat does double as a fold down armrest / cup holder. And it looks like you can fit a couple plus size smartphones in that spot. Even with the twin pane sunroof, I still have a decent amount of headroom. Beautiful, beautiful headliner, like I said. LED dome map lights have been pushed to the outermost portion of the headliner, as well as your grab handle and integrated hanger hooks because of the twin pane sunroof. This is a very, very, very comfortable car. Lincoln has knocked it out of the park. Let's take a closer look at the trunk and see how much cargo space we have. So to open the trunk, you're gonna come up under the N in Lincoln, or between the L and the N in the light up Lincoln. You're gonna push it, it's gonna beep, and then it's gonna automatically come up for you. Crazy, crazy amount of space back in here. Looks like we have some in-floor storage around the full-size spare tire. LED cargo lighting, grocery bag hooks, little cargo space here. 12 volt outlet on the driver's side, as well as the second row power fold seats. When you're done, come up to the driver's side, push the button, and it will automatically close for you. This thing is sweet. Let's take a closer look now at the Monroney. So there it is, the Lincoln Nautilus black label at the Detroit Auto Show. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving me a like and share. If you want to keep up to date with more auto show content and future vehicle walkthroughs, be sure to subscribe to the channel and also check out all the affiliate links in the description below, as it does greatly help out the channel. Like always, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.